What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, something a little bit different today. We got a sidekick with me. We're playing a very competitive game of Go Fish matching game. And right now she is winning. She actually laid out the cards, so I think she knows where she put them, but she won't let me know that. But I want to do something a little bit different today as I'm playing this intense game and talk about something that I haven't talked about a lot here on the channel, and is just talking about financial freedom. And I want to talk about it right now because there was a time in my life when...
It's my turn.
Are you sure? Oh, snap. Bunnies for the win. 2 to like 12. I used to define financial freedom as like the big house, the big cars, the vacations.
I hate big houses.
How much money we had in our checking account, how much money we had in our 401k. And there is some part of that where, you know, having the right money, having the financial means can give you financial freedom. But as time has gone on, oh yeah, match it away. Bam! The keys to financial freedom right there. But I've recognized that, you know, financial freedom that is a big part of it. Obviously, you've got the big house, you know, we've got the cars, we've got the pool, we've got the pool house with a new studio that will be done hopefully by the end of this week, and I'll give you a tour of that here pretty soon. As I've really thought about it more and just like diving deeper into what financial freedom means to me, and really what it should mean to you, is not about how much money you make, but it's what do you do with that money? What is that money buying you or giving you or granting you? And for me, you know, financial freedom is about time freedom. That's a big one, right? Using the financial means to buy more time. You know, right now it's a Thursday morning. My wife had a few appointments she had to run, and you know, financial freedom allows me.
I don't have any school. I have
yes, you don't. To spend some time with my daughter that I get to enjoy because I have a business that allows me some time freedom. And I have the financial means where I don't have to go to the 9-to-5 job, which, you know, the time of this recording, we're in the middle of pandemic, so most people are going to commuting anyway, but nonetheless, like I don't have to sit on a conference call. I don't have to sit on a Zoom call right now. I swear she's like just raking me over the coals right now. I mean, look at this. That's such a guilty face right there. She totally laid all these out. And I swear she knew what she was doing. You're sneaky. You're sneaky. You're so sneaky. So yeah, like right now, like I recognize, you know, what financial freedom has done, you know, for me during this pandemic is having more family time. And I ain't gonna say it's all quality time because there are definitely times that my wife and I need a break. You know, we got 4 kids, we've got 2 puppies that are chilling over there, but there hasn't been like this added pressure to work overtime, have to work late into the evening, have to work on the weekends. Oh, horsey for the win. Horsey, horsey. And that is like a big part of like what.
My new doll. This is my new doll.
This is her new doll. This is Purple Kelly but her real name is Descendant. Got that one right. If you are trying to make more money, if you're trying to earn more, whatever your motivation is, like it's not about the commas, it's not about the zeros, it's not about the size of your checking account. It's what does that money allow you to do? Does it allow you to spend more time? Well, this is what you do on YouTube. You gotta talk to the camera. People want to hear you talk. Well, I think they want to hear me talk. They probably want to hear you talk more than me. Answer this question. What does financial freedom mean to you? Can you answer that?
To enjoy.
I'm not really sure what she just said. She's sucking on a yogurt or something like that. One of her morning snacks with her new American, is that American doll? That's right, it was a delayed Christmas gift. Once again, another example of financial freedom in a way, but it's not defined by stuff. You know, we've got some really cool stuff, but what we have most of all is the ability to spend time together. And I'll have more videos talking about defining financial freedom, how you achieve financial freedom. So living here in the Nashville area, you would assume that I'm a huge Garth Brooks fan, you know, country music and all that. Nah, actually, I did see Garth Brooks in concert, so I will say that, but I'm not a huge country music fan. I definitely appreciate a good musician. Garth Brooks, he's one, I think he is attributed with the quote of real wealth is when you have something that money can't buy. And I may have butchered the quote. It's something, she got another one, seriously. Something to that effect. And you know, right now, this right here is something that money can't buy. The time that we spent together, I know, I mean, look at this, check this out. Look at the stacks. Yeah. You know, today, before we started doing this, she had some tangles in her hair, so we had to work out those tangles, and something that Daddy is still working on, still trying to work through. And then after that, I had to take my puppies out to go potty, so took them out, and it's one of those things where I just enjoy, you know, doing these things. I enjoy spending time with my daughter, enjoy spending my time with my kids. Yes, I do need breaks, full disclaimer. I enjoy spending time with my puppies. But all of these are, for me, what financial freedom is, what I work towards. And just to show you these puppies, let me just show you these girls. Where are they at? Girls, where are you at? So whenever you can't find the puppies, that usually means that they are up to no good. They are being sneaky, probably chewing on something. Izzy, Red, where you at? We're looking for some puppies. You want to check out her new room? Here's some more taste and financial freedom. So like my wife is totally into redecorating. Now, this is like, thanks to my daughter. This is the, I don't even know what iteration this is for her room, but we've got this going on. This is a new little project that she just finished up with. Got some, what's that? Look, we got a little closet here.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
You get a taste of these bunnies. You give me noxious.
That's right. But overall, we still don't know where the puppies went. I gotta go find the puppies before they end up chewing something they shouldn't be chewing. All of this is just what a small taste of financial freedom is. And as far as like, you know, how it all started, it was investing. It was investing in myself. It was investing in the stock market. It was investing in my business, investing into an online business. It was doing mastermind programs. It was doing coaching programs. It was reading books, reading podcasts. It was mentoring, receiving mentorship from, you know, some very high successful entrepreneurs. It was putting myself out there, being willing to fail, be willing to try new things. And this is stuff that I've talked about on the channel before, and I'll talk about more. As you can tell, I'm trying to get some words in before. All right. Oh, well, they came back. There's Izzy underneath the table. Red actually, don't tell Izzy this, but Red is my favorite because she likes to cuddle. Let's look at Red real quick.
I want to cuddle Red.
Hey, Red. Hey, Red. Hey.
I love Izzy and Red.
And they love you too.
All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed a little different take here on the channel. A little behind the scenes, what it looks like to be in the household. Sometimes, you know, it's not all about business, not all about YouTube, not about building business and trying to make millions. Sometimes it's just about being here, doing some fun stuff, doing quality time. Speaking of quality time, she's winning right now, but I'm going to take her down. Like, it is going to happen. All right, y'all, smash that like button. See y'all next time. Peace. You say peace?
Peace, bro.